COVID-19 has made the online classes a normal for both the schools and colleges. Though the system of online classes was existing, it has been used as an additional or premium service. In addition to online classes, the entire teaching learning process has become digital. That includes assignment submission, online assessment, and final examination. This has thrown a challenge and opened an opportunity to develop new solutions to education through artificial intelligence, machine learning, augmented reality, etc. New softwares need to be developed and existing softwares need to be improved with additional features. COVID-19 has speeded up the changes in online classes and courses, which would have been obviously the part of education of the future. It has acted like a catalyst. Lockdown has helped the students to opt for online courses. Universities have offered more online courses to meet the demand. Yes, students can take courses from any university. We have students who have done courses from international institutions, University of London, University of Michigan, Colorado University, Duke, Georgio, Illinois. Institutions like IBM, Google, etc. are just a few to name. Compared to schools, pedagogy has been a bit neglected area in higher education, especially in medical, engineering, and pharmacy. COVID-19 has changed the way of engaging the classes. Pedagogy shall find equal importance with the content of the lecture. New learning tools, graphics, animations, videos shall be developed for every course. A repository would be created in which a large number of video lectures shall be available for students. Students will be having more choice as there are many online tutors available. For instance, to learn artificial neural network, students have a choice of several tutors from different universities. He or she may choose any. Now, for a student like Ekalavya, there are many gurus. During lockdown, LIT tutors have generated more than 1,900 e-lectures in 3 months. All these e-lectures are available on YouTube. Students of any college of any state can view these lectures. UGC has planned to implement a concept called National Academic Credit Bank. It has circulated a proposal on 11th December 2019. It gives academic flexibility and credit transfer facility. In this, a student can move from one program to another program, one university to another university, retaining the credits of the previous program. Accumulation of a certain number of credits will give a degree or diploma. This proposal has many advantages and will be very successful looking at the current situation due to COVID-19. It is very difficult, if not impossible, to get admission in foreign universities, IITs, or NITs. Students will be able to get credits from these institutions. Once a certain number of credits are available in the bank, he or she can redeem them into a degree or diploma. A person can learn anything from anywhere at any time. There is no geographical or age barrier. A 10-year-old from a small village can learn nanotechnology from MIT or aerodynamics from IITM. Lakshmi Institute of Technology offers BE, DE, and DVOC. A large number of scholarships are available for students. Through SC, ST, and TFW schemes, students need not to pay any tuition fee. The major advantage of studying in LIT is the pollution-free, serene environment. LIT is situated in a lush green campus of 120 acres where all modern facilities are available, including hostel, auditorium, mess, canteen, cricket ground, football ground, swimming pool, temple, hospital, ATM, etc. Everything that a modern campus should have. LIT offers degree in automobile engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, information technology, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and mechanical engineering. Students can join Bachelor of Engineering after 12th Science from any board. Students who have completed DE, DVOC can join second year BE directly. LIT offers diploma in automobile engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering. Students can join DE after 10th from any board. Those who have completed ITI or certificate course can join directly second year diploma. LIT is introducing Diploma of Vocational Courses in automobile servicing, multimedia and graphics, and software development. Students can join DE after 10th from any board. They can work in their respective industry when they study in LIT. COVID-19 has affected our education system. COVID-19 has affected our lifestyle, has affected all activities. It affected the whole world, but it is only momentary. Don't let the COVID-19 affect your learning. Don't let the COVID affect your career. Wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.